In this segment of our miracle framework for personalizing home remedies for constipation, we'll focus on evaluating affordability. Whether you have time but limited funds, some disposable income, or busy schedule with ability to spend more, there are effective remedies to fit your needs. Let's explore how to balance cost and effectiveness. Affordability can significantly impact your choice of remedies. Let's start with cost effective DIY solutions for those who have time but can't afford expensive treatments. DIY solutions are perfect for those who have time but are on tight budget. Here are some examples: homemade fiber rich foods, for natural laxatives, prune juice or lemon water, obviously hydration infused water. And we'll talk more about these in the home remedies section. But here in this case, like, we are just giving you a framework to think about what are choices that you have. If you have time, but you can do it, but do not have disposable income, you can have DIY solutions which are cost effective. Next, if you have some disposable income and are looking for convenient solutions, there are some effective solutions. For example, you can take high quality supplements, probiotic supplements or magnesium citrate, which can help relax muscles in digestive tract and stimulate bowel movements. You can take convenient fiber products such as psyllium husk or prebiotic fiber mixes, and you can obviously take specialized food products which has high fiber snacks. So these purchase solutions can save you time and provide effective relief. And now for those who have a busy schedule and can't afford targeted solutions, let's explore some premium options. Those target solutions for those who can afford them. Some of the examples such as professional services, obviously personalized nutrition plan. You can hire nutritionists to create a more customized plan tailored to your specific needs. This can ensure that you are getting the right nutrients to prevent constipation. You can join health gut health programs. Obviously, you can purchase the high-end supplements and products like such as advanced probiotic supplements. You can purchase digestive enzyme blends. And if you don't have time for delivery, you can go shop for grocery. You can do meal delivery services for healthy meal kits. You can subscribe to meal delivery services that offer high fiber, gut friendly meals. This is a convenient option for maintaining a healthy diet without time commitment of cooking. So, by evaluating your affordability, you can choose remedies that fit your budget and lifestyle. Whether you prefer cost effective DIY solutions and can afford some purchase products or offer targeted professional services, there are effective options for everyone. Personally, I choose 80% of time DIY solutions, zero cost solutions, and sometimes when absolutely necessary, I take some supplements, but mostly I prefer DIY. Actually, it doesn't take that much of a time if you time, but again, the time commitment progressively decreases because you start developing skills and become expert in creating those home remedies. So again, uh, your affordability should not be the issue for choosing the right home remedy for us. And assessing the affordability allows you to balance cost and effectiveness, ensuring that you get the most out of your home remedies. And in our final segment of this chapter, we'll review the entire miracle framework and help you put together your personalized plan for constipation relief. Stay with us as we wrap up this chapter.